guys, welcome to my very first vlog. I'm gonna take you along with my day today. I'm having extremely busy day because I'll be pretty much working till 9:30 p.m. so I should be home after 10. But yeah, it's morning right now, so I have to kind of get myself together. I wanted to show you guys before I curl my hair. Do you see how much volume I have in my hair? And it's just because this little guy, you guys. So I featured this Revlon like a round brush dryer in my October favorites. I absolutely love these things, you guys. Yeah, I mean, you should try it. I mean, I've got really, like, I feel like my hair is like a, oops, it's like a salon hair. I don't know, look at this bounce, and it just gives you so much shine. So yeah, if you have like a little longish hair like me, I think you'll really like it. At some point, just leave them a little bit like I would say like semi-dry, you know, just a little bit still wet, and then work it into your, you know, hair as you dry. It's just beautiful. I love it. But I'm still gonna curl my hair because I like it better that way. So I have to take a couple of things with me today because I'm gonna be away for a very long time today. So you guys, I'm gonna be taking my Palm Spring backpack. I'm gonna try to keep very casual, although I'll be professor today. I have to teach about 10 students at my college where I work. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep very casual. It is all empty right now. So I'm gonna take a couple of makeup items with me because if I have like a really long day, I wanna touch up on things. So let me do that first. So this is 19, toiletry pouch 19, this is 15. I don't really know which one I should take, so let me figure out. Am I gonna take this? I probably not gonna take, okay, I need this for sure. This is the Charlotte Tilbury. This is like, you know, you can touch up on the bronzer and, you know, a blush during the day if you need to. Let's see if I can fit into 15 first. Alright. And of course I need a little brush. This is like a mini Bobbi Brown blush. We'll go with that. Okay, perfect. And then I'll need this for sure. This is like my little touch-up guy. Oh, I don't think I'm gonna fit in here. Because I want to take my compact. Alright, still in. Yeah, but my lip products are not gonna fit in. Oh, shoot. Okay, I'm gonna go for the 19, you guys. So, my compact, by the way, this is the Ethereal Light. I just like to use it as my touch-up if I need a little bit powder during the day. And of course, I'll need this. And if I need to do like a, you know, kind of like a spray my face a little bit, I'll use this side of the Beauty Blender. This is the Beauty Blender packet, you guys. I feature in my October favorites. You have to have it. This is like each woman must have. So I'm gonna take those two things and the Hourglass compact, and let me take the Charlotte Tilbury out of here and the little brush. Yeah, I kind of knew I'm not gonna fit into 15, but I was trying. And then couple of lip products, you guys. I'm gonna take an eyeliner. This is like a miniature version of the, what is it, Marc Jacobs black eyeliner, just in case. And then one of my favorite recent little products. This is Santo, what is it called? Santo Domingo by NARS. This is such a great lip color, you guys. I love it. So I got it, if you've seen my Ulta haul, this is so good. So I'm gonna take this. I'm not gonna take the Marc Jacobs. I'm gonna leave this in here. I'm gonna take a little hair clip just in case. And then the other duo, the lip duo that I like to take with me is the Cecile. This is number 432 by Chanel. Such a beautiful color, you guys, especially for the fall. And I like to pair it with my favorite lip pencil. This is Makeup Forever in 14C. So all of this will go in here. And that's pretty much what I need in case I need to do a touch-up. So I'm gonna put this in here. You know, guys, I was also thinking that maybe I should change my wallets. I have been using that Chanel wallet since March, and now it's almost November. It is November. It's already November, Jesus. So maybe I'll change my wallets. Let's do that. I was using my Chanel bag yesterday, you guys, so I have to take the stuff out of here. This is such a beautiful, beautiful bag. So I have my wallet, which I'm gonna change, and then I'm gonna need this. There's some lipstick. What lipstick is that? Girl, this is Dior. This is such a nice lipstick. So nice and pink. But I think I'm not gonna take it today because I will need it. There is some coupons. I don't need that. I'll need the cream for sure. So I'll just put it here. This is and some Kleenex. I'll put it there as well. And then that's pretty it, you guys. This is empty, so I'm gonna put this away. And okay, I'll need my glasses. I'm gonna be using my what is it, Louis Vuitton. Just found my case. I usually leave them in the car, to be honest with you guys, but I had it on me yesterday, so I'm gonna take them as well. All right, and I feel like I'm gonna switch to my Dantel. This is the full-size wallet, you guys. But this, oh my gosh, this wallet, I have it for, I don't know, 10 years, 8 years, something like that. I mean, you can see the card slot got a little bit funky in here, but other than that, this wallet is in such a great condition. Look at this, guys. There's not even like peeling on the sides. That's what I'm talking about, like old Louis Vuitton quality. And look how clean it is inside. And I use this to death, you guys. So, alright, so let me just change quickly from my Chanel onto my Louis Vuitton. Alright, you guys, so this is all done. My wallet is full. Just gonna show you quickly. There's 4 card slots in here. Then I have some junk in the middle, and there is another 6 card slots in here. Then I put some cash at the very back in here, and of course I have plenty of change, which I always keep in my wallet, you guys, because why not? Alright, so I'm gonna put this inside here, and yeah, let's keep going. I curled them a bit and I like it this way. What do you think? I still need to change because I'm in my like day clothing, so I need to kind of look a little bit more professional. I'm gonna wear today my Louis Vuitton front row sneakers. These are so good, you guys. I really like these shoes. They are not as comfortable as my Gucci sneakers, but maybe I just need to, you know, kind of work them out a little bit more. But they are really nice. I love them, and that's what I'm gonna wear today. Look at all those beautiful colors, you guys. This is so beautiful. All those trees, and the fall is just gorgeous in here. By the way, I am on my way to post office, and from there I need to grab some lunch, you guys, because I'm starving. It's almost noon and I didn't even have breakfast today. I've been just so crazy busy doing things. So yeah, I am driving to the post office from my lovely neighborhood, and yeah, and then after lunch I'm just gonna go straight to work. degrees outside, you guys. This is great. What a beautiful weather. Love it, love it, love it. So I'm on my way to work right now. I'm just gonna maybe grab something to eat quickly on the way. And yeah, it's going to be a really, really long day. This is such a beautiful campus, you guys. I absolutely love it here. Look how pretty. And the weather is gorgeous today. There's a fountain. Little gazebo, so pretty, you guys. Look at the trees. This is the concert hall, you guys. How beautiful is that at the college? It's so pretty. There's some people working here. I love it, so cute. This is very old buildings, you guys. Okay guys, I finished work. As you saw, I had a little dinner at the Panera Bread. Yeah, it's about, what time is it? It's 6:10 p.m. At 7 p.m. I have rehearsal at the university with a student orchestra. I'm gonna go and help out a little bit because we have a concert this weekend. So yeah, they hire a couple of professionals, you know, just to help out, you know, with the students. So anyway, the rehearsal is gonna go from 7 to 9:30, so there's gonna be, yeah, pretty long. So I'm sitting in my car right now, so I'm just gonna go to the university. I just put my lippy on, the one from the NARS. Santo Domingo. I love it, you guys. This is the one of the newest one. It's really good. So yeah, so I'm just gonna drive to the university. Hi guys, so I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. It's 6:30. I got to the university. What's happening in here? They are setting up like carousels or something, little mini Six Flags. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, I think they have, this is like the annual thing that I have here at the university. I'm just gonna end. I think I'm gonna say bye to you guys. Probably this day was a little bit boring because, you know, most of the day I spent this just teaching. Of course I cannot, you know, film that. I hope you guys enjoyed spending some time with me. I know this is you know, probably not the most interesting for you because I spend most of my day teaching, but yeah, just trying to show you a little bit of what I do. And I hope you enjoy it. So if you do, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you have any questions, any comments, and I hope you like this video. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Have a great night or day whenever you're watching this, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.